Is affiliate marketing for beginners just a quick way to start an online business and create a monthly income without much effort? The answer, quite simply, is no. Now let's clear up a few misconceptions. While affiliate marketing does offer the potential for financial gain, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, strategic planning, and a bit of grit to navigate the challenges that come along. And no, it's not a scam. In fact, many successful online entrepreneurs use this business model to generate income. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate and potentially rewarding business venture, but like any business, it requires time and effort to succeed. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's dive into the nuts and bolts of affiliate marketing. At its core, affiliate marketing is a simple concept. It's a performance-based marketing strategy where a business, known as the merchant, rewards an affiliate for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. The affiliate is like a salesperson but works on a commission basis. The last piece of this puzzle is the consumer. That's the person who actually clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase. The key to successful affiliate marketing is finding your niche. This means identifying a specific area you're passionate about and know well, and focusing your marketing efforts there. And of course, you'll need to choose the right affiliate program. This is the company that will provide you with the products or services to promote. By understanding these basics, you've already taken the first step towards your affiliate marketing journey. Ready to get started with affiliate marketing? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First things first, you need to research and select a niche that you're passionate about. It could be anything from fashion to tech gadgets, as long as there's a market for it. Next, you'll need to choose an affiliate program that best fits your niche. You'll want a program that offers competitive commissions and a good reputation. Now, onto building a platform. This could be a website, email marketing, or video channel. This is where you'll be promoting your chosen affiliate products. Make sure your platform is user-friendly and visually appealing to draw in your audience. Content is king, as they say. Create high-quality content that provides value to your readers. This could be in the form of blog posts, reviews, or even how-to guides. The better your content, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. Finally, you're now ready to promote your affiliate products. Use your platform and other marketing strategies like email marketing, social media, or even SEO to drive traffic to your affiliate links. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Let's quickly recap what we've covered in this video. We've swept away the cobwebs of misconception, shedding light on the reality of affiliate marketing. We've walked you through the basics, helping you understand how it works and how it can be a viable income stream. We've also given you a starting point, a roadmap to your own affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more insights on affiliate marketing. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step, and you've just taken yours.